I poured salt down my bathroom drain and this is what happened. Now I want to share with you some information that is very important, especially for your home. Welcome to Jennifer's Tips. In today's video, I will show you and explain what happens when you pour a spoonful of salt down the drains in your house. These include the bathroom drain, like the sink drain, and also where you brush your teeth. When you bathe, wash your hands, or brush your teeth, your body expels thousands of bacteria and fat that, although imperceptible to you, end up getting stuck in the different pipes. Salt is an excellent cleaner and disinfectant, and one of its main functions is to unclog pipes. Perhaps right now you are thinking that there are already many product options available on the market that perform this function, but what you do not know is that these products, in addition to being quite expensive, tend to be formulated with very abrasive chemicals that do damage and worse, still pollute the water. By adding salt, you would be using a powerful cleaner that will remove grease and bacteria from the pipe while protecting the environment. And the best thing is that there are no excuses for not using it, since we all have it at home. Before continuing, I would like to know from which city you are watching us so that I can send you a greeting in our next videos. Today's greeting is for Rosa Durango from Colombia and also for Maribel Leyva from Peru. I send you a big hug. Thank you for watching us. Now, if you're enjoying this video, let me know if you're going to apply this tip. To completely cleanse, you just need to add a tablespoon 2 times a week and let it sit there for 1 hour. After the time passes, just remove it with water. If you do it like this, it will be very difficult for the pipe to clog, and the bad smell that sometimes rises through the pipes will also be completely controlled. You can do it both in the bathroom, in the kitchen, the sink, and any other pipe you have at home. Another effective method is to pour hot water if the pipe is clogged, as it is more effective, although you can use cold water without problems. If you want to continue receiving more tips like this, leave me a comment down below. That way, I'll know if I'm doing it right. And here is today's recipe. I hope you enjoyed the video and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips like this.